Welcome to Cars and Coding. Today we're going to be looking at ignition lock defective. What is causing this issue? I don't know. Try to figure it out. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Also, I'll have links in the video description, which you will see after the title. There's a little more button. Click on that and you'll see the links. All right, here we go. So we have a key. We have two keys. We put the key in. There it is, ignition lock defective. Let's try the other key. Got my other key here. Ignition lock defective. And you can drive the car like that, it doesn't hurt anything, but it's just annoying. So I think what we're gonna try is, the first thing I'm gonna try is to clean out. I'm gonna vacuum this out and see, because I mean it looks somewhat dirty in there. I'll get some Q-tips and clean that out, see if that helps anyway. And I'm also going to clean the key really well. And you know, right here, I'm going to clean that and see if that cures it. I got my vacuum cleaner here. I'm going to vacuum this out. Alright, it's vacuumed out. I got a little toothbrush. That in there. Vacuum it again. Alright, now I'm just going to take the key, brush it. Okay, let's give it a shot. All right, we're gonna try it again. Put the key in. And there it is, it's fixed. Let's try the other key. There you go, it's fixed. That was the fix. As always, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos. Click on this link over here, or click on this link over here for more videos on the Audi 2009 to 2015. Auf Wiedersehen.